In this video, we are going to do an implicit differentiation problem. Let the square root of x plus y equal x to the fourth plus y to the fourth. Find dy dx by implicit differentiation. So first, I'm going to rewrite the left-hand side of this equation, so the square root of x plus y, using exponents. So I'm going to write this as x plus y to the 1/2. That'll make it easier to take the derivative of that side. And again, this is equal to x to the fourth plus y to the fourth. So we're going to start by taking the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So we're going to do d dx of x plus y to the 1/2, which is equal to d dx of x to the fourth plus y to the fourth. Now let's focus on one side at a time. Let's take a look at the left-hand side. So I start by taking the derivative of x plus y to the 1/2, as I normally would. So the derivative of that would be 1/2 x plus y, and then I subtract 1 from the exponent, so I have minus 1/2. Now I need to multiply by the derivative of the inside, so this is the chain rule. So I'm taking the derivative with respect to x of x plus y. Okay, now what is the derivative of x plus y with respect to x? Well, we can break this up as d dx of x plus d dx of y. And so what is that? Well, the derivative of x with respect to x, this is just 1. And then what is the derivative of y with respect to x? That's dy dx. And so that is the left-hand side. Now, what's going on the right-hand side? Well, we can break this up as the derivative of x to the fourth with respect to x plus the derivative of y to the fourth with respect to x. So what is d dx of x to the fourth? That's just the derivative of x to the fourth, so 4x cubed. Now what is this part here? So that's going to be the derivative of y to the fourth, so we can take that like we normally would, so that's plus 4y cubed, and then we're multiplying by dy dx. Great. Now I can factor out 4. Well, maybe I don't want to do that yet. I'll just rewrite this here. Great, so we've differentiated both sides with respect to x. Now what is the task of this problem? It's to find dy dx. So I'm going to want to try to isolate that. I'll begin by distributing this to both sides over here. And now I'm going to start writing the x plus y to the 1/2 as the square root of x plus y, because that'll be a bit nicer. So this becomes, well, first I should say, what does that become? 1/2 times x plus y to the minus 1/2. That's equal to 1 over 2 times x plus y to the 1/2, because the exponent is negative, and that's equal to 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y. So that's what this green portion here is equal to. Okay, so I'm doing that times 1. So we have 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y plus 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y times dy dx. And on the right-hand side, we still just have 4x cubed plus 4y cubed times dy dx. Now I'm going to want to isolate dy dx, so what I can do is subtract this from both sides. So the idea now is that I'm going to want to move this here and then move the 4x here. So if I subtract, or the 4x cubed, so if I subtract 4x cubed from both sides, I get 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y minus 4x cubed equals 4y cubed times dy dx minus 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y times dy dx. Now this is very messy, but I see that I can factor out a dy dx from the right-hand side. So the left-hand side remains the same, 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y minus 4x cubed, and then I can factor out the dy dx, and I'm left with 4y cubed minus 1 over 2 square root of x plus y. Now we're so close. How can I isolate dy dx? Well, I can just divide both sides by 4y cubed minus 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus y. So if I do that, I get dy dx equals 1 over 2 root x plus y minus 4x cubed divided by 4y cubed minus 1 over 2 square root of x plus y. And there are probably other ways you can write this to simplify this a bit and make it look nicer, but we can just leave our final answer like this. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.